In this video, we will be talking about our high-frequency words for Unit 5, Week 4. Our first high-frequency word is color. This is the word color. Say it with me. Color. The bird is a bright color. Let's spell this with our finger in the air. C-O-L-O-R. Color. Our next high-frequency word is early. This is the word early. Say it with me. Early. Early morning can be very quiet. Let's spell this word in the air with our finger. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. Our next high-frequency word is instead. This is the word instead. Say it with me. Instead. I try to whisper instead of shouting. Let's spell this word with our finger, but let's try it on the floor this time. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. Our next high-frequency word is nothing. This is the word nothing. Say it with me. Nothing. There is nothing in that can. Let's spell this word with our finger on our leg. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. Our next high-frequency word is O. This is the word O. Say it with me. O. O. Our marching band has a great sound. Let's spell this word in the air with our finger. O-H. O. Our last high-frequency word for this week is thought. This is the word thought. Say it with me. Thought. He thought the jet was much too loud. Let's spell this with our finger in the air. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. This week, we also have two bonus vocabulary words. The first bonus vocabulary word is scrambled. Scrambled means a quick climb or walk. Goats scrambled up the rocks. Say it with me. Scrambled. Our last bonus vocabulary word for this week is suddenly. If something happens suddenly, it happens very quickly. The sky lit up suddenly and brightly. Say it with me. Suddenly. Those were our high-frequency words and our bonus vocabulary words for Unit 5, Week 4.